which app actually drain your phone battery and how you can optimize for a better and long-lasting battery on your phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Then from the bottom right here, click on battery and power saving. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to battery saving settings. Next thing you need to do is to click on battery setting. The next thing you need to do is to click on battery usage. Then you see all apps that are consuming your battery on your Android phone right here. If you cannot find it the way I show you right here, you can simply go back, and come to the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in battery usage. Then you have it right here. Simply click on battery usage, battery settings. Click on that. They take you right here. Then click on battery usage, and you'll be taken right here. So these are two ways by which you can access apps that are consuming most of your phone battery. Next thing you need to do right here is to scroll down right here and check them out one after the other. So you can see the way and manner some of these apps here are consuming your battery in the background. And what you need to do is to review them and optimize for a better performance and long lasting of your phone battery. So from my number one list right here, I have YouTube app as the most consumers of my phone battery right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on the app, and it's going to take you right here. Now you have three options right here. Unrestricted, allow battery usage in background without restriction, may use more battery. The following option here is optimize. Optimize based on your usage recommended for most apps. Last one is restricted. Restrict battery usage while in background. App may not work as expected. Notification may be delayed. What you need to do is to simply click on restricted and click on go back. So you can review as many as possible apps in this section right here. So XOS Launcher right here, I'm going to restrict the way and manner they consume my battery. So click on go back. You can review as many as possible and block the permission for any apps that are consuming most of the battery right here in order to optimize and improve the battery lifespan and make your Android phone battery last longer. Like this one right here also, it's already been restricted, and this is more reason why you can see the percentage here is actually low. I'm going to click on docs right here. It has been fully restricted right here. This is why it's consuming lesser battery on my Android. It's as simple as that. So this is how to check for apps that are consuming or drain most of your battery on your Android phone and how you can optimize for a better performance. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.